Get ready for a thrilling ride through unexpected moments. Watch as disaster strikes in a series of shocking events. A tree crashed through a house. Don't miss out. Watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Oh my god! When dealing with a stubborn stump, you need a real pro behind the controls. A skilled operator handles the excavator. They expertly dig around the tree's base. This makes the roots more visible. Then, with a single strong move, the machine uses its power to sever the roots. Now, no roots are left attached. The stump just pops out. Though it takes time. Even the toughest stumps can't stand up to this power. Nothing can resist the force. The journey to move the trunks to their destination through rough roads is no easy task. The muddy terrain makes each step harder, especially when dealing with the heavy weight of the trunks. This tree is 176 years old. The top is rotten, so it must be removed for safety. Cutting must be precise and the tree should fall in the right direction. The cut must be controlled. It takes great skill to do this correctly. Attention to detail is key. The end result is a job well done. Preparing for tree cutting in Washington State in 2016 requires thorough preparation. This includes checking the tree's condition, assessing the fall direction, and ensuring the safety of the surrounding area. However, unexpectedly, during the sawing, the tree fell onto the house, causing damage. We should always have a backup plan for unforeseen situations, like a tree falling on a house. Whoa! Wow! Oops. Whoa! It's impressive to see massive logs pulled by the Torto 906. But in the end, I'm more concerned with the machine's efficiency and durability. Overworking a machine doesn't lead to long-term benefits. It will wear out. Oh my god. Meet the Reco RG. The 83 stump grinder is a game changer. Its new River Revolution wheels deliver unmatched power for tough stumps. Say goodbye to stubborn stumps effortlessly. With a unique design, it slices through a 36-inch oak stump with ease. In just 10 minutes, it gets the job done. Saving time and boosting productivity, this efficiency allows operators to handle multiple stumps in record time. The Malkin Iris Deltrac to .5 is a beast of a machine. It can clear entire blackberry forests instantly. Before using it, I'd struggle for hours with a brush cutter soaked in sweat. Even then, the results weren't nearly as impressive. Now, it saves both time and energy. The Stone Crusher is another powerhouse tool. It quickly crushes large stone blocks into smaller, usable materials, perfect for building strong, level foundations. Once again, German engineering exceeds expectations. We've started shipping chemical equipment to the Azotara Pinchevo plant in Serbia. The biggest challenge lies in navigating the switchbacks at Sherban-Horska Saddle. See for yourself how tough this route is. Let's dive into this video. Transporting massive turbines at night demands precision and seamless coordination. It ensures the safety of both the crew and everyone on the road. This driver's skill is nothing short of amazing. It's astonishing to see how he maneuvers such a colossal vehicle with precision and ease. Meanwhile, many struggle with smaller tasks, while many struggle to handle small cars on simple terms. Today, you'll witness massive truck convoys that defy standard sizes on the roads of Western Australia. You'll also see awe-inspiring train convoys, offering rare and thrilling experiences. Watch how they tackle this sharp curve. Every move shows precision and mastery. It's a display of skill and control. Then there was that time I accidentally stepped into a sprinkler drain. It was absolutely crazy. We just need a few more cars stacked on top to complete this one-of-a-kind scene. When this tiny tractor came to help, the truck driver thought it was a prank. Turns out it really was. Always drive carefully and stay focused to avoid ending up in unfortunate situations, like this poor car. Don't miss out. Watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content.